Hi everyone, it's Jonathan. Welcome to a really short recipe on Palatable Provisions. Today we're going to make Buttermilk Ranch dressing. Now what I love about this recipe is that it's super simple. You only need a little jar, can be any type of airtight container to put it in, because we're going to put all of our ingredients in this jar and shake it up. Once we make the recipe, it can sit in the fridge for a week, week and a half at most, but it's super delicious. It's great on any type of green leafy salad, or any salad for that matter, but it's also great as a dip for things like chicken fingers or French fries, or any of those yummy stuff that we probably shouldn't eat, but we love. All right, so let's get on with it. So I've got my handy dandy cup, and our first ingredient is 1/3 of a cup of buttermilk. Okay, then into that, we're going to add another 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Get that all in there. Okay, then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of dill, and 2 tablespoons of chives. Then, like with all good recipes that come out of this kitchen, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. About 1/4 teaspoon to start would be great for both. Put a little more for us. Then we get our little cover. And we shake it up. And there you have it, buttermilk dressing. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.